Michiko Hayashi from Japan. She's going to be talking about invoking water element for peace and sustainability. Remember we spoke about bha, a, ga, va, a, na, neer. So the neer part of water, and that's what Michiko is going to take us through. Thank you.
Hayashi, the esteemed global director and ambassador of the Emoto Peace Project, a non-profit organization. She is deeply devoted to sharing Mr. Murasu Emoto's groundbreaking legacy with the world. For nearly 11 years, she worked as his administrative personnel supporting the pioneer of Hado vibration research, water memory, and author of best-selling work like The Message from the Water and The Hidden Message in Water. Now as a successor of his vision, Michiko freely distributes the children's book, The Message from Water, championing the profound ideas that our consciousness can shape reality. Through uplifting lectures, she emphasizes the vital importance of love and gratitude, striving to create a harmonious global community. Michiko's warm compassion and tireless dedication have earned her international recognition, including the Magna Luis Award from Foundation 1A1 in the Dominican Republic. She is also the author of the anthologies Womb to Thrive and Love Letter to Water, further illustrating her unwavering commitment to fostering universal peace. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to Hayashi.
Thank you to this organizer of this beautiful and meaningful United Consciousness event for peace and harmony on earth. I am very grateful that I can share the discovery of Dr. Masaru Emoto, who discovered the water is deeply connected with our consciousness. And he showed many different words, pictures, and music, and prayers to water, and froze that water to take crystals from that frozen water that I would like to share with you now. So I'll go this. The first slide is this. This is the picture of the experiment with the seed that the 12-year-old girl in the United States did as a part of science class. She prepared 3 same seeds and planted in each pot. Can't see the slide. Okay, each slide, and she made 2 recordings, and one was with the negative words, and the other was a positive words. And then she discovered that this, with the negative sprout, with the positive words, the plant, the seed made such big sprout. The big difference between these two can show how powerful the words are. And why did it happen? It's because the power, the vibration of the words are so different. When we show the word thank you and you fool in English to water, the thank you water makes this beautiful crystal, and the other you fool is ugly. So that shows that water absorbs the vibration, the energy of the words, and the substance receives that energy and it affects materially. Now this is the picture. Water is the mirror of our heart, is what Dr. Emoto always said. And also water is the mirror of that reflects everything on earth. Everything is vibration. Vibration is what? It's energy, frequency. And water is a transmitter of all vibrations. And everything has its own frequency. And the same frequency resonates with the same frequency and returns to where it originates. Or law of resonance. And that is, vibrations resonate with the same vibration. The words come from what we think, how we feel, and then that becomes action. And there's a law of vibration, and that is a law of attraction. So if we feel, or if we even think, even though we don't say anything, it comes from our heart, our mind as energy that resonates with the same frequency. And you are attracting the same frequency to your life. And how many thoughts, or how often do we feel or think in one day? We are feeling or thinking emotions create 50 to 70,000 times a day. One person thinks or feels 50 to 70,000 times a day. Are they positive or negative? That makes a huge difference in your life, and it affects, collectively, it affects the environment of this earth. When we show the word happy to water or unhappy to water, the water makes this difference. Do we choose happiness or unhappiness? We can choose whatever we want for your life. Every second is a choice. The world population in 2025 is almost 8 billion. That's a collective consciousness. And if one person is feeling or thinking 50,000 to 70,000 times a day, and plus, if it's negative or positive, you know how your life will be. You know what the world will be like. Water. We are water. And water is the conductor, carrier of all vibration. And vibration goes around the world with the speed of light. That's 7.5 times in 1 second. That's how fast our consciousness, our feeling, our thoughts, our emotions are going around the earth. Water stores memory. Water transmits information. Water is deeply connected to our consciousness. And water is the catalyst for well-being, health, and peace. So you want to choose your good thoughts, your good words, your kind feelings, kindness, happiness, joy for the well-being. How about water response to music? Now, this is the distilled water that we use for the experiment. And before exposing music to water, this is a very simple hexagonal crystal. And when we play Beethoven's Destiny, it changes to this beautiful crystal. But when we play something negative with the destructive energy music, or a singer singing with anger, water cannot form the beautiful crystal. In the air, you know that there's humidity, that's water. We are 70% water. In the soil, there's water. In the plant, trees, animals, all beings have water. And they're all responding like this because we are all water. So well-being of all humanities, all living beings, the earth, depends on what kind of vibrations we are emitting. Showing pictures to water. Now here you will see how water has memory. It remembers what it sees, what it hears. Now showing this Izumo Shrine picture to water, then water showed this crystal. Now you can see how similar it is to this picture of Izumo Shrine. Printing heart mark and show to water, then it showed this crystal of heart. showing words to water. Now we are talking every day. Are we speaking kindly? Are we speaking with positive words? Not being angry? Not complaining about things? This matters. The first picture was thank you in English and you fool in English. But this one, arigato, is thank you in Japanese. And the other one is bakayaro in Japanese. That means you fool. In these two words in Japanese make these two different crystals. And which one would you like to take? Which one would you like your waters to create? Peace and war. Now, when Dr. Emoto started to do the research on water, he started to take some water sample from the tap water in the office in Tokyo and to check with the toxins in the water, tap water. And he discovered that there's just a little tiny bit of toxins in tap water. And one day, the value of the toxins went up. As you can see, on the 17th of January 1991, the mercury toxin, lead toxin, aluminum toxin went up. And that day was the day he didn't know until he went home after work why these values, numbers went up. He discovered that that was the day the Gulf War started in 1991. We live in Tokyo. We're far from the battlefield, but still, as the toxin, you can see that we are receiving, we are being affected. That means the speed of vibration goes with the speed of light. So it goes instantaneously around the earth. This is why we want to keep peace on earth. No war, no hurting, no fighting, but instead peace and harmony. So everyone will be living in healthy way. Let's do it and do it. These are, do it. Ordering is against nature. But let's do it is respecting the will of the person. Compassion and harmony, they're beautiful, as you can see. So this is what the water is showing, that we all should be compassionate and living in harmony with nature and with everyone. This is, I would like to show you the prayer experiment at one of the dams in Japan. The water was polluted, and at that time, Dr. Emoto asked one of the Buddhist monks to come along with him and offer the prayer. And one was before the prayer that was so ugly and polluted. After the prayer, the same water changed. The water molecule changed and became so beautiful and brilliant. That's how powerful our consciousness is. I did this experiment with noodles, cooked noodles with rice, with water. That was a remote experiment during the COVID. And I asked 5 people, women, to join me to do this experiment. And one joined from the East Coast of the United States, the other one from West Coast of the United States, one from England, one from Mexico, one from Japan. And remotely, I asked, all I did was A, B, C, and I asked 5 people to ignore A noodle, and to B noodle, please send negative thoughts. To C noodle, please send positive thoughts. And then everybody, 5 people did it every day for 3 weeks. This is the result of 3 weeks. From remote places, without even being there or saying anything, just consciously sending their thoughts, it affects those noodles. So you can see how our consciousness affects us materialistically. And the most beautiful crystal that water made was from love and gratitude. Water is the conductor of these thoughts, the God's love. And I'll go because of the time. Okay, chemical formula of water is H2O, and Dr. Emoto's formula is water is one love and two gratitudes. Thank you. And what it means is, O is oxygen, 2 is hydrogen. O is oxygen and H is hydrogen. And replacing oxygen into love and hydrogens to gratitude. That means to one love that we receive from God to all living beings on earth equally. We receive it with two gratitudes, double gratitudes. Then one love and two gratitudes make peace and harmony on earth. What it means is one love and two gratitudes, because they're double gratitudes, so it goes all around this whole, and from here to your family, from your family to your society, to goes all around the world. And this is the most beautiful and harmonious and easiest way to make the world a peaceful place. Every moment is a choice. Please choose love and gratitude over fear, or anger, or anything negative. Peace and harmony within is peace and harmony on earth. Thank you very much. And I have this children's book called Message from Water, showing those water crystal pictures. And if you would like, please let me know. Or there are some, the website that you can download for free. There are languages translated into 35 languages. So please share this with people around you. Thank you. 2 is hydrogen. O is oxygen and H is hydrogen. And replacing oxygen into love and hydrogens to gratitude. That means to one love that we receive from God to all living beings on earth equally. We receive it with two gratitudes, double gratitudes. Then one love and two gratitudes make peace and harmony on earth. What it means is one love and two gratitudes, because they're double gratitudes, so it goes all around this whole, and from here to your family, from your family to your society, to goes all around the world. And this is the most beautiful and harmonious and easiest way to make the world a peaceful place. Every moment is a choice. Please choose love and gratitude over fear, or anger, or anything negative. Peace and harmony within is peace and harmony on earth. Thank you very much. And I have this children's book called Message from Water, showing those water crystal pictures. And if you would like, please let me know. Or there are some, the website that you can download for free. There are languages translated into 35 languages. So please share this with people around you. Thank you. 2 is hydrogen. O is oxygen and H is hydrogen. And replacing oxygen into love and hydrogens to gratitude. That means to one love that we receive from God to all living beings on earth equally, we receive it with two gratitudes, double gratitudes. Then, one love and two gratitudes make peace and harmony on earth. What it means is one love and two gratitudes, because they're double gratitudes, so it goes all around this whole, and from here to your family, from your family to your society, to goes all around the world. And this is the most beautiful and harmonious and easiest way to make the world a peaceful place. Every moment is a choice. Please choose love and gratitude over fear or anger or anything negative. Peace and harmony within is peace and harmony on earth. Thank you very much. And I have this children's book called Message from Water, showing those water crystal pictures. And if you would like, please let me know. Or there are some, the website that you can download for free. There are languages translated into 35 languages. So please share this with people around you. Thank you.